Hi, welcome back to the Not Just Sawdust workshop. I am going to try and make a few bar clamp kind of things, because I have to glue up a lot of panels that are 2 × 25, so 50 centimeters wide. And I think I do have all the parts, so I've got 4 pieces for the bottom. Then I've got little blocks that are going to be at the end and one on top, and I want to try to use this old screw bolts with butterfly wing on it, and the idea is to get these in up until there, and all the holes in the same place. And when I figured it out right, and I just have different ones of these, and I'm going to try to use these things that I made a long time ago for my glue up bench, but which didn't really work. So and maybe I can use this with some other parts from the blocks I had to make the other side. But for now, I think that having 2 blocks on here that can turn, it would make a clamp. So let's try to make it. So I've got these in, but I only got 4, and I've got a few of these things, and I thought maybe there's a way of, but that's not going to work. Do I ever have these old blocks with the screw bolts, whatever you call it, or the nuts in here, and I could cut these into little blocks, but then there should be like a same size M8 as fits to these blocks somehow standing up here. So let's see if I can make that. Gotta figure out how. this is why I made them. I've got to glue these boards together, and that's why I made these bar clamps. So I can turn these little blocks a little bit closer. So I can clamp anything between 51, 52 and well, as small as I want. I just need to drill extra holes, and these blocks are just drilled off centered, so I can, oh, this one doesn't go, so I can adjust them whenever I want to. Now, to get this board clamped up, it's quite easy. I get a hammer. The only thing I have to do is okay, well, the only thing I have to do is to on this one, on that one, on that one. And this really comes together, except for this one slides a bit. I don't know why, but probably because this little block is. It's just because I have them too far apart. So when I like this, and to get the board straight, that's the whole thing about these little bars on top of it. This one's for him. I just that board over, should be the same size, and clamp it down. Well, you get the picture. And I made two different systems because that's just what I had around. It's just recycling. But whenever I want to do something in the middle, to press it in the middle, I can always put a little shim under there. But yeah, this way I can clamp these big boards together. Now, of course, I'm going to paint these clamps because I know how it works. The moment I need some wood, and I think, oh, that one would fit. Then I'm cutting up my own clamps. But yeah, this actually works. Now, normally at the end of the video I would say do some woodworking, you know, all that. But this time we're gonna end the video with a package that I received. It comes from the Netherlands and it comes from Houtje Boom, and it's all because I reacted on a post she put out about cutting wood, and I said to her, well, that's beautiful, could you make me a few pieces? And she said, no problem. And that was somewhere in, I don't know, August last year, and it came in the mail this week, and it's rough cut, but yeah, it really looks nice. As she was sending this spalted wood, and I said to her, that would be nice to make a ukulele. And honestly, this is nice. Now, imagine this to be the front or the back of a ukulele. When it's planed, wow, I will get about 5 mil thick, I think, and this is just beautiful to make a back for a ukulele. Beautiful. And so thank you very much, Houtje Boom from the Netherlands. Be creative. Well, I will be creative, and I promise there's going to be a little project with this wood that you sent. So, and now I'm really gonna say it. That's it for this week. I'm going on with my library project. There's a lot of shelves to cut and to router and, you know, and to glue. So, do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. And see you all in the next video. Até logo. Thank you very much.